Hey everyone, and Happy New Year! It's that time again, time to say goodbye to the old year and ring in the new with a bang. And what better way to celebrate than with a delicious New Year's Eve dinner? In this video, I'm sharing some amazing recipe ideas to make your New Year's Eve dinner party a hit. We've got something for everyone, from elegant appetizers and show-stopping main courses to decadent desserts and bubbly cocktails. So, grab your apron and get ready to cook up some magic. Appetizers. Sparkling shrimp spring rolls. These festive spring rolls are filled with juicy shrimp, crisp veggies, and a touch of sparkle from edible glitter. They're the perfect way to start your party off with a light and refreshing bite. Mini beef Wellington bites. These miniature versions of the classic dish are all the flavor without the fuss. They're made with tender filet mignon, creamy mushrooms, and flaky puff pastry. They're sure to impress your guests. Deviled eggs with a twist. Take your deviled eggs to the next level with some creative toppings. I love using smoked salmon, caviar, or even truffle oil for a touch of luxury. Main course. Herb-crusted rack of lamb. This elegant dish is perfect for a special occasion. The lamb is roasted to perfection and coated in a flavorful herb crust. It's sure to be the star of the show. Seafood paella. This Spanish dish is full of flavor and festive flair. It's packed with shrimp, mussels, scallops, and saffron rice. It's a great option for a large crowd. Roasted butternut squash lasagna. This vegetarian lasagna is hearty and satisfying. It's made with layers of roasted butternut squash, creamy ricotta cheese, and fresh herbs. It's a delicious and crowd-pleasing option. Sides. Roasted Brussels sprouts with bacon. This simple side dish is always a hit. The Brussels sprouts are roasted until tender and caramelized, and the bacon adds a salty touch. Garlic mashed potatoes. These creamy mashed potatoes are the perfect comfort food. They're made with Yukon Gold potatoes, garlic, butter, and milk. They're so good, you won't be able to stop eating them. Winter salad with pomegranate seeds. This fresh and festive salad is the perfect way to cleanse your palate between courses. It's made with mixed greens, pomegranate seeds, feta cheese, and a light vinaigrette dressing. Desserts. Molten chocolate lava cakes. These individual cakes are decadent and delicious. They're made with rich chocolate cake and a gooey chocolate center. They're sure to satisfy your sweet tooth. Tiramisu. This classic Italian dessert is light and airy. It's made with ladyfingers dipped in coffee and layered with mascarpone cheese and whipped cream. It's the perfect ending to a delicious meal. Cocktails. Champagne cocktails. No New Year's Eve celebration is complete without a glass of bubbly. Dress up your champagne with some festive garnishes like strawberries, raspberries, or rosemary sprigs. Moscow Mule. This refreshing cocktail is perfect for a winter night. It's made with vodka, ginger beer, lime juice, and mint. It's spicy, sweet, and tart all at the same time. So there you have it. These are just a few ideas to get you started on planning your New Year's Eve dinner. With a little creativity, you can make your celebration one to remember. I hope you have a happy and healthy new year. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more delicious recipes. And leave a comment below with your favorite New Year's Eve recipe. Cheers!